Hey guys, we're ready to pull the engine out. Now, in order for you to remove the engines off these, you got to take off your seat, you got to take off your gas tank, you have to take off your not your kickstand, but your left foot peg, your right foot peg. The reason why you got to take off your left foot peg because you got to take this side cover off, and the reason why you have to take this off is because you have to get the starter off, or you know the starter will stop you from pulling the engine out. So the starter got to come off, side cover, your chain, the sprocket cover, your exhaust pipes, your carburetor, the stator has to come off, because you just can't keep the thing hanging on the side, so you might as well take your stator off. Your coils got to come out. This guy right here, I forget what that's called, that's got to come out, or that'll be in the way. Your rectifier unit bolts on in here, that's got to come out. And then you got your engine bolts. You got this one here, that one, the ones in the front, and that front bracket that looks like this, that has to come off. So here's all the parts here. It's good to have a table like that. Then what I do is I support the engine with a jack, with a small jack. And you see I have a piece of wood in the front. Now we're going to set you guys down and we're going to pull the engine out. And I want to also remind you, the engine weighs 90 pounds. And I still have not drained the oil, because I'm draining the oil on the bench. So even with the oil in there, it's around 89 pounds. 89 and a half pounds. Okay guys, I should have put a pair of gloves on. Now I jacked the engine up a little bit so that it'll clear the brackets. You know what? I need a rag. I don't want to scratch the frame up too much. Okay. Get that piece of wood out of there. Don't need you no more. What are you caught on? I see. Poppy's heavy. There you go, guys. Got her at. It's a small engine, but it's a heavy son of a bitch. You see where I have the jack at? Preferably get yourself a small jack like that, so they can fit up and through these bars. And the reason for jacking it up is when you slide the engine out, it has to clear this and that and that.